Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. Multiply 16 minus 6 is equal to also 10. Multiply 6. Okay. Now 10 multiply 10 is equal to 100. Multiply 6. So now 100 multiply 6 is equal to 600. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. Is equal to 16 minus 6 multiply 10 multiply 6. Okay, now according to PEMDAS rule, first here is subtraction, here is multiplication, here is multiplication. But first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so this multiplication and this multiplication both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Is equal to 16 minus 6 multiply 10 is equal to 60 multiply 6. So is equal to 16 minus 60 multiply 6 is equal to 360. Okay, so now 16 minus 360 is equal to minus 344. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 344. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.